let me bring in Dr. Dinesh Pedhankar into the conversation. So what I want to ask you is that why, apart from the high number of cancer cases, it's also being noticed that cancer is catching people young now. It's not an old age condition anymore. And what I also want you to talk about is explain to us what the stage of cancer means, and why is it that the detection in most cases is coming in stage 3, stage 4, and not earlier?
So cancer can happen at any age, right from birth unto death. It is on an average a disease of the age. It may happen in young person, but it generally happens with the age. So please don't be afraid. That's my number one statement to you. That's why majority of the guidelines given by all oncology societies of the world. So you come to me and ask, sir, what checkup should I do to get detected my cancer early? This is a question asked by all of us, all of you sitting here. And the answer given by all the societies is, on an average, we would advise you to start an early cancer detection checkup at earliest 40 years of age and most probably at 50 years of age. What does that mean? That even I, as a science, do believe that I should be afraid more beyond 50 years of age. So please don't be afraid. That's number one. Number two, cancer can be detected early, and the only way to detect cancer early is, again, please remember, it's only cancer and health awareness amongst you. There are no specific tests. There are no specific procedures which would detect cancer early. Your awareness, your feeling, your being health aware is most important. Very simply, if I have to tell you, I just want you to know, see, you are already 30 years, 40 years. You already know yourself better than anybody else. If you find any change in your lifestyle or in your body, and if the change is sustained, for generally any change, you get a viral fever, you become fine in 3 days. You get some body ache, or some swelling by mosquito bite, it would become normal in 5 days. So if some problem which you feel your body has got a new symptom and is not going beyond 7-10 days, that would be the first time you should approach a doctor. But this doesn't mean cancer. Yeah. There are no specific signs of cancer. So approach your physician and start a journey from there. So follow standard guidelines. So why cancer is detected early, late? Because when you get these symptoms, you are not health conscious. You are not health aware. You believe, I never had this problem, probably it will settle down in 5-7 days, and then you forget after 7 days, and you go to the doctor a few months later. Not that there are many cancers with no signs. So if there is some space, some lesion or a mass in the lung, you won't go to a doctor unless you get a cough. And it takes time to have the cough. If there is something in the stomach, you may have no pain. So you will only approach a doctor when you get a symptom. So please, stage is not in your control.
Right.
Don't get frightened if somebody tells you that the disease is like this. You know yourself, please don't blame yourself. Because if you went to the doctor on that particular day, you knew why you didn't go early. So you don't have to blame yourself because you had no signs or symptoms.
Right.
If you are health conscious, you would definitely go on time.
Right. So I think the important point, I'm just coming in, but the important point that Dr. Dinesh is making is that we need to listen to our bodies and act on time.